What's up, everyone? Day 16 of opening a Pokemon pack. Today we have a Scarlet and Violet Ancient Roar Japanese pack, so hopefully we can pull something good out of it. It's a pretty heavy pack, so hopefully we can pull something good. Wish me luck here. Try to pull something good. Last time we pulled a pretty good card, so hopefully we can pull something good again out of this pack. Alright, give me a second here, get the cards out. 1 second. Pack did not want to open. Alright, first card we have like a little crab looking dude. Pretty cool. Then we have a cat. Pretty cool. And then we have this card. Looks like a sea urchin or something. Pretty cool. And then we have this card. Pretty cool. I like the art on this one. Pretty cool. And then we have a trainer. Looks like a boxing equipment. Pretty cool. That'll do it for that pack. Catch you guys on day 17.